In this video, we will talk about top 5 yoga poses for beginners. 1. Mountain pose. Tadasana. Mountain pose, or Tadasana, is the foundation for all standing yoga poses and helps improve posture and balance. Begin by standing with your feet together, big toes touching, and heels slightly apart. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet, ensuring your body is grounded and stable. Engage your thigh muscles and lift your kneecaps without locking your knees. Lengthen your tailbone down towards the floor while lifting your pubic bone towards your navel. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides with palms facing forward, broadening your collarbones and keeping your shoulder blades relaxed. Hold your head high, chin parallel to the floor, and breathe deeply. This pose, although simple, requires attention to detail to align your body correctly and engage your muscles. Practicing Tadasana helps build awareness and focus, making it an excellent starting point for beginners. It sets the tone for your practice by centering your mind and grounding your body, preparing you for more complex poses. 2. Downward Facing Dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward Facing Dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a staple in many yoga routines due to its comprehensive benefits. Start on your hands and knees, aligning your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into the mat. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips towards the ceiling, straightening your legs to form an inverted V shape. Keep your head between your arms, ears aligned with your upper arms, and engage your core. Press your heels towards the floor, even if they don't touch the ground. This pose stretches the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders while strengthening the arms and legs. It also helps energize and rejuvenate the body. If you have tight hamstrings, you can keep a slight bend in your knees. Focus on lifting your hips high and pressing your chest towards your thighs. Downward Facing Dog is great for stretching the entire body and relieving tension, making it a beneficial pose for beginners. 3. Warrior Eye. Virabhadrasana Eye. Warrior Eye, or Virabhadrasana Eye, is a powerful standing pose that builds strength and endurance. Start in mountain pose, then step your left foot back about 3 to 4 feet, turning it outwards at a 45-degree angle. Bend your right knee to a 90-degree angle, ensuring your knee is directly over your ankle. Raise your arms overhead with your palms facing each other. Square your hips and shoulders towards the front. Keep your back leg straight and grounded through the heel. This pose strengthens the legs, hips, and core while stretching the chest, lungs, and shoulders. Warrior Eye improves focus, balance, and stability. It's excellent for building strength and endurance as it engages multiple muscle groups. Ensure your front knee stays aligned with your ankle to avoid injury. Engage your core to help balance and stabilize. Warrior Eye not only strengthens the lower body, but also opens up the chest and lungs, promoting better breathing and posture. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then switch sides. This pose embodies the qualities of a warrior: strength, stability, and courage. Practicing Warrior Eye can boost confidence and mental focus, making it a valuable addition to any yoga routine. 4. Child's Pose. Balisana. Child's pose, or Balisana, is one of the most soothing and gentle poses in yoga, perfect for stretching the back, hips, thighs, and ankles. It also has a calming effect on the mind and helps relieve stress. This pose is especially beneficial for beginners because it's easy to perform and provides a good way to rest and relax during a yoga session. To start, get on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Bring your big toes together until they touch and then spread your knees apart to a comfortable width. This width can vary depending on what feels best for your body. For some, keeping the knees close together is more comfortable, while others might prefer them spread wider. Once your knees are positioned comfortably, sit back onto your heels. If your buttocks don't touch your heels completely, don't worry. Just go as far as your body allows without forcing it. Next, stretch your arms forward on the mat. As you do this, rest your forehead on the ground. If your forehead doesn't reach the mat comfortably, you can use a block or a pillow to support it. This support helps to keep your neck relaxed and comfortable. If stretching your arms forward feels uncomfortable, you can also place your arms alongside your body with your palms facing up. In Child's Pose, it's important to relax your shoulders, let them drop away from your ears, and allow your upper body to soften. Your hips should sink down towards your heels, creating a gentle stretch in your lower back and hips. The key is to find a position where you can relax completely. While in this pose, focus on deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths in and out through your nose. This deep breathing helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. As you breathe, try to let go of any tension in your body. Imagine your body becoming heavier and more relaxed with each exhale. Hold child's pose for 1 to 3 minutes or longer if it feels comfortable. It's a great pose to return to any time during your yoga practice when you need a break. If you're feeling fatigued or overwhelmed, spending a few moments in child's pose can help you recharge and refocus. Child's pose is also excellent for recovery after a more intense yoga session or workout. It gently stretches the muscles while allowing the body to rest. This pose can be particularly beneficial for stretching the back and relieving tension in the spine. Additionally, child's pose can be modified to suit your needs. If you have knee or ankle issues, you can place a blanket or cushion under your knees or ankles for added support. If you have tight hips, placing a bolster or pillow between your thighs and calves can provide more comfort and make the pose more accessible. In summary, child's pose is a gentle restorative yoga pose that stretches the back, hips, thighs, and ankles while calming the mind and relieving stress. It's a versatile pose that can be modified to suit individual needs and is perfect for relaxation and recovery. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, incorporating child's pose into your practice can provide numerous physical and mental benefits. Remember to focus on deep breathing and allow your body to relax completely, letting go of any tension and stress. 5. Tree pose. Vrksasana. Tree pose, or Vrksasana, is a balancing pose that strengthens the legs and core while improving stability and focus. Start in mountain pose and shift your weight onto your right foot, lifting your left foot off the ground. Place the sole of your left foot on your inner right thigh or calf, avoiding the knee joint. Bring your hands together in a prayer position at your chest or raise them overhead. Find a focal point to help with balance and hold the pose for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. If balancing on the thigh is too challenging, start by placing your foot on your calf. Engage your core to maintain stability. Tree pose is great for enhancing balance and mental clarity, helping beginners build confidence in their practice. Starting with these foundational yoga poses helps beginners build confidence, strength, and flexibility. Focus on your breath, take your time, and listen to your body. As you become more comfortable with these poses, you can gradually explore more advanced postures and deepen your practice. Yoga is a holistic practice that connects the mind, body, and spirit, promoting overall well-being. Enjoy your journey into yoga and embrace the positive changes it brings to your life. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.